Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get API key on your Shopify tutorial. Right, so that is really easy. First of all, in the bottom right side corner, left side corner, basically you will see the settings gear icon. Go and click there, go to the apps and sales channel here. To get your API, first of all you have to go and click on develop apps here and click on allow custom app development. Right, just click on again here allow custom app development here. Go and click on create app. So for example, I will just write here test. You can also do the same thing. Make sure app developer is store admin. Click on create app here. Now just wait for a few seconds till it will lead you to your API key. Now here in the configuration, in the API credential basically, right, so here you can just get your API keys. You can just copy this out, and this is the API secret key which I will not show you, but you can always copy and paste it wherever you want to use it, right? So this is how you can get it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.